Live It Like Lisa here, and I have an unboxing for you guys today. I have a little package here that I got in the mail on Friday, and I thought I would open it on camera and show you guys what I got. Now, I ordered this a couple of weeks ago, and it's a planner, so I'll tell you that much. Because I'm still looking for the one. Like, I have a Filofax Purple Molden, which is very close to being the one, but I'm just not sure about the purple color. Like, I like it, like I like the purple, but I just wanted something a little bit more neutral, and I really love grey. So I wanted a grey planner, and I honestly could not find one anywhere that I liked, like the actual color or style that I actually liked. So I went on to Etsy, found this awesome shop, and yeah, picked up a couple of things from their shop, and hopefully it will bring me planner peace, because I'm really looking forward to getting back into my planner. And yeah, once I've got this, I'm going to order a couple of planner inserts, probably also off Etsy, because I've seen a few custom ones that I like. And yeah, hopefully that will then get me back into the planner world and get me, you know, back into being as organized as I like to be. So we'll open it up now and see what we have. So the lady that I ordered it from, it has her things sent from Indonesia. Now I'm just going to take my address. There's a little label on here that's got my address on it, so I'm just going to take that off, obviously just for privacy reasons. But then I'll show you the box. So this is the little cardboard box that it comes in. The company is called Cocoa Paper, and yeah, it's I think just from reading the blurb, I think it actually provides a lot of work for women in Indonesia, because they're all hand sewn and made there. So yeah, I thought it's also a good thing for the community of Indonesia. Now I'm just gonna, this is my invoice, what I've got here, so I'll just put that aside. It's got my address on it. But yeah, so inside the box we have, it's all bubble wrapped, and a little card from the person I bought it from. And yeah, I will leave a link to their Etsy shop, and I'm not sure if they're on Instagram, but I'll leave, oh yeah, they are actually, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. So I'll leave a link to their contact details below if you're interested. And let's open it up. So I might actually tilt the camera downwards so you can actually see the planner itself. Okay, so here's the inside of the box. It's all wrapped very nicely in bubble wrap. And then, because I said I've actually bought two things from there, so each one has come wrapped nicely in a little calico bag as well. So I'll move the box aside. So first up, what I also bought from there was a traveler's notebook, and again in grey. Oh, I really like that grey too. It's really nice grey. Now they have lots of different colours and they've got a couple of different styles of traveler's notebooks to choose from, and they've got lots of different colours and string colours that you can select to customize it to your needs. And this is the traveler's notebook. Oh, this leather is so beautiful. Wow, it's so soft, and it's a beautiful color grey. I actually really like that grey. So that's my traveler's notebook. Like I said, the string is customizable. You can have any color string you wanted, but I just prefer just the plain white to go with it. And yeah, the leather is so soft. My goodness, it's almost doesn't even feel real, it's that soft. But yeah, it's a beautiful buttery leather. So yeah, this is what they would call a standard size traveler's notebook, because I know traveler's notebooks comes in quite a few different sizes. So this is the standard size, and I'm not really familiar with inches as such, but on the invoice it's 8.3 inches by 4.3 inches, which I think in metric is roughly 20 by 10 round about that. And then on the inside you have the option of a couple of different designs for the pockets as well. The stitching is absolutely beautiful, like it's so neat and really straight, very, very nice. And I just can't get over the quality of the leather. It's beautiful. And then here's a little pen holder as well. So that size traveler's notebook was $42.95, which I thought was quite reasonable considering it is all handmade and real leather. So I'm really, really happy with that. Very happy with that. So that's the first one. And now for my planner. I'm so excited. This I'm hoping is going to give me planner peace because it's, yeah, I've been looking for that ultimate planner for a while now, and oh wow, yeah, definitely. Okay, let's get it open. So the cocoa paper, it comes wrapped in plastic as well. It's got a nice little cocoa paper handmade sticker on here, as well as a little thank you sticker on the back where you open it from. So let's open it up. So here's my planner. It's an A5 size planner in the grey. You can see it's a slightly different colour grey to the traveller's notebook. This has got a bit of a purpley, I don't know if it's coming off on camera, I can't really see, but this has got like a purpley toned grey, and this is more of a grey, like a true sort of, maybe like a, almost like a bluey grey. I like both of them. Like I would have probably have liked this planner to be more so this color, but I am really happy with this color as well. It's just a nice plain grey, which is what I wanted. And yeah, you can also get a little engraving on the corner here. You can either have it monogrammed with your name, your initials. They've got a heap of different symbols that you can choose from to actually have ingrained there. So I just really like the look of the feather, so I just had the feather ingrained on it there. And this planner doesn't come with any inserts, and like I said, it's a 6-ringed A5 size planner. This is the Jess version. Now if I open it up, you can see the way it's set out inside determines the model it is. So this is called the Jess, which happens to be my daughter's name as well. And the Jess has like a big flap pocket here, as well as a couple of smaller pockets and inserts here as well. So like I said, you can get a different style inside depending on which model you choose. It's a 6-ringed binder, which is compatible with the Filofax. And these are also the 1.2 inch rings, which are the bigger rings, which will mean you can fit more in it. So yeah, again, beautiful, beautiful leather. Not as soft as this one, because obviously you don't want your planner this sort of floppy and soft, but still a really, really nice quality leather. I'm really happy with that. And again, it's really nice and soft, but still sturdy at the same time. I just like the plain enclosure. There's no snap enclosure, which means, you know, if you do have a fat planner, it can expand with your closure clip. Like whether it's if you have a button, like I know on my Filofax, the fatter it gets, the more times the button seems to explode. So this one will allow your planner to be as tightly closed or as loosely closed as you want, which is what I really liked. The back is just plain, just nice plain back. And yeah, again, the stitching is beautiful, really, really nice. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. I'm actually stoked. And they also send you some handmade paper as well. So this is like a little notepad that's all got handmade paper. And it also has a pen loop here as well, which is really nice. So yeah, and this, I'm not sure if I said it, but this planner was $51.95, which is like, to me, is quite a good price for a handmade planner. I was happy to pay that, and I'm really, really happy with the planner itself. So yeah, those are my 2 purchases. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope I gave you all the information that you were after in this sort of video. I've never done an unboxing before, so I don't know if it's just like you express your first impressions or like what, but like I said, I will leave a link to all the contact details of Cocoa Paper in my description box below if you're interested in checking them out. And they do have many different colors, the planners, many different colors, styles, sizes. They've got, you know, the passport size all the way up to A4 size, and everything in between, personal passport, pocket size, all of that sort of thing. So yeah, I'm really happy with my purchase. Absolutely stoked. It's definitely a shop that's on my favorites on my computer now. So yeah, I will definitely be keeping an eye on them. And yeah, if you would like any more information, or if there's anything I've missed out, just ask me the question in the comments below, and I'll definitely answer all my questions. Might not be the exact same day, but usually within 1 or 2 days I have all my questions and comments responded to. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Okay, there's been an allegation that you've eaten all the lentil chips.
No way.
Leave it, don't touch it. Hey everyone, my son's annoying. Please go away.
Okay.
What's wrong? Okay, go now. Now my hair's good. Let me check my hair. Is it filming? Go away, you annoying person. The more you annoy, the less you're gonna get your PlayStation. Can you? Is it on or not?
Yeah.
Please go away. Oh my god, it's so annoying. I bet it's not even on. You're fucking shit. And section 2, prism 2. Oh, what did you do? Ah, awesome. That's what he means.
What comes that?
The one with the spring.
Haven't you tried this new one? Haven't you tried that yet? Where's the other dart done on?
With the dart dong on.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's going like straight.
Would all you people get out of my film?
It's in.
Is it filming?
Yeah.
Oh my god, he's so annoying. What is wrong with you?
Okay, find the other one and then leave him alone. There's one more in here somewhere. You can't leave it in here. Your mum will eat it.
Yeah.
And then, so there'll be 24 and 6.
Why has it got prism 1 and prism 2?
Fuck.
And you need to...
I'll do the rest in pen.
Okay.
And I'll do it neatly in pen.
Do it all in pencil first until I've checked it, and then... Now, bugger off, shut the door and don't open it again. Bugger off! You're going the wrong way! Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here. Please go away. You're so annoying. Oh, I'm gonna cry. Close the door! Oh, Jesus Christ, my son is so annoying. He hasn't had PlayStation for like 2 days now, and he's the most annoying person. Go away! I'm gonna slap that door on your nose, I swear to God. What is wrong with you? Do your assignment!